NEC Article 680.24 Bone addresses the requirements for transformers used in specific applications, particularly concerning the need for a hub. The article states that where the transformer is mounted on a pole or structure not less than 25 feet or 7.62 meters above the ground, a hub shall not be required. Now, let's consider Intermatic transformers, specifically the P-Zone 100, P-Zone 100s, PX300 and PX300s models. These transformers are designed with the intention of being mounted on a pole or structure at a height of 25 feet or more. Therefore, adhering strictly to NEC Article 680.24 Bone, a hub is not a mandatory requirement for these Intermatic transformers provided they are installed at the specified height. The rationale behind requiring a hub for transformers mounted at lower elevations is primarily to provide a crucial layer of protection against accidental contact with live electrical components. The hub acts as a physical barrier, effectively isolating the energized parts of the transformer from individuals who might inadvertently come into contact with them. This is a critical safety measure in environments where there's a high likelihood of human interaction or accessibility to the equipment. However, when a transformer is elevated to a height of 25 feet or greater, the probability of accidental contact is significantly reduced. This substantial increase in height provides a natural form of protection, making the need for an additional physical barrier, such as a hub, less critical. Consequently, the NEC recognizes this reduced risk and permits the omission of a hub in such installations. Proper mounting of the transformer is paramount to ensure compliance with safety standards and to leverage the exception provided by NEC Article 680.24 Bone. Installation should meticulously follow the manufacturer's instructions, which are designed to guide installers in achieving a safe and reliable setup. These instructions typically specify the minimum height at which the transformer can be mounted without the necessity of a hub. Adhering to these guidelines is essential for maintaining the safety of the installation and meeting regulatory requirements. In conclusion, according to NEC Article 680.24 Bone, the Intermatic P-Zone 100, P-Zone 100s, PX300, and PX300's transformers are exempt from the hub requirement if they are correctly mounted on a pole or structure at a height of not less than 25 feet above ground level. This exception is based on the reduced risk of accidental contact due to the elevated mounting position. Always consult the manufacturer's instructions and local electrical codes for specific installation requirements and safety guidelines. Ensuring compliance with these standards is crucial for the safe and effective operation of electrical equipment.